Good morning, students. Students, today we will start lesson number 3rd. That's name is Formulas and Functions in MS Excel. But before starting to this lesson, firstly we will understand we have completed, students, lesson number first. That's name was number system, that has completed, and then lesson number 2 also completed, that's name was Windows 7. So students, now we will start lesson number 3rd, that's name is Formulas and Functions in MS Excel. Now students, firstly we will understand formula and then we will understand function. Formula are the user defined instructions to perform calculation. Calculation means all type of calculations we can use through the formula. So students, again I am repeating, formulas are user defined instruction to perform calculation. And what is the function, students? Functions are called predefined formula in MS Excel. Functions are called predefined formula. So students, first heading, formulas in MS Excel. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. Then formulas establishes a relationship between two or more cells. Students, means in these two cells we can feed the value and then we can make the formula for finding the answer. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, number, arithmetic operations, operators and parenthesis. Parenthesis means which we are saying, students, in our language, in mathematical language, bracket. A small bracket is called parenthesis. So by using them you can perform simple as well as complex calculations. Means, students, listen very carefully. Means in formula we can use addition, means plus. We can subtract, use by the subtraction, use division and multiplication, etc. Means all types of operations we can use in MS Excel by the formula. So a formula must begin with an equal sign. Students, when we want to use formula in MS Excel, in cell, firstly we can select the cell. After clicking on the cell, that cell is called active cell. Selected cell is called active cell. And in that, when we want to use formula, students, firstly we can use equal sign. Equal sign is very important for formula. So a formula must start with equal sign, followed by cell references and operators. It may contain a few or all of the below mentioned elements. Students, references, a cell or a cell range of cells that you want to include in your calculations. Reference means cell address, means, students, cell number first is called cell A1, cell number second A2, cell number third A3, same. So if single cell is also reference and range of cells means from A1 to C1, this is the range. So students, from A1 to C1 range. So range cell by we can use references. Second thing, operators. Operators, students, means symbols, plus, minus, into, exponential sign, modulus sign, dollar sign, has, etc. These operators we can use in MS Excel. Next value, constant. Constant means number or text values that do not change. If we are giving value, number or text that cannot change, that is called constant. Constant variable cannot change. Next thing, functions. Students, I also explained functions are called predefined formula. Functions are called predefined formula in MS Excel. Is it clear, students?